Yeah, man, them just line up here, man.
Thank you, man.
Maybe the bag them packed up on it, man.
Go forward.
Yeah, man. Need them right to say, do something different. Angela, if we help them bring them, come closer.
Sorry.
So I'll try to clear out them now.
We're on the farm. Farm, I like that.
Okay. So we can talk to the team with them about.
Well, we call it two. I told coach the top boys are down that side.
They done that
and communication, yeah? It's Sanjay. 2, 4, 6, 8.
Hey coach, how you doing, man? Man, nice to see you, man. This is your first year, right?
Well, call it second. I'm going in my second
What you want me, G? So, Mr. Wellington, I've known you for many years now, and I saw the devastation Hurricane Melissa has caused on the steps, you know what I mean, and we just wanted to give a helping hand. I'm a sportsman who love my country. We have two amazing dancehall artists here, Pinchers and Mr. G, and we combining sports and entertainment with my non-profit foundation.
My non-profit foundation
and
well.
Chad's non-profit foundation, you know, Bandolero. And we just wanted to come and give back some in-kind donation to Stets. And you've known over the years, I've been very supportive of the track team coming with my foundation, and sorry for the devastation, and we just wanted to give back to the school and give back to the athletes.
Thank you very much, Sanjay. Really appreciate it. I think that the kids appreciate it as well. Many of them, well, those who are here are a little bit more fortunate than others because we are trying to take care of them.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
they still have their issues at home.
Yeah.
And I'm sure that your donation will help them, even help their families, because what we'll probably do is ask them to share with their homes.
Yes.
And some of them are here because their homes got devastated and they can't stay where they are.
Yeah.
So although school is not in session, we had to bring them back in for safekeeping basically. So I really appreciate it, and you know we'll continue to work together. You'll support me and I'll support you, right?
All right, thank you. Coach,
Yeah, man. No
looking forward to you guys doing great at Champs next year. And I see you guys have a great group of athletes, you know, great support system with Coach Neil, and obviously you have the best principal in Jamaica, and he's going to push you guys. So you guys work hard on the track and
Coach
give it,
Gibson hiding.
you know, where Coach Gibson. Where's Coach Jarrett? Coach Jarrett probably hiding too. Coach Jarrett. Okay, good. So you guys give your all. You know, we coming all the way from Kingston. These guys from Kingston, the whole team. I am from Maryland. Guys from New York. You know, we came here just to see you guys, just to give back, because we see the devastation that happened. So, you know,
Who has gone to the Baltimore meet before? Jared.
Where's Jared? Chennai?
Yeah, only Chennai. So we never no? No, not really. Tad, where's Tad? Tad go Baltimore. Tad go Baltimore. Yeah. So Sanjay is the person who runs the Baltimore meet, right? So when we go to Baltimore, he's the person who takes care of us, right? Take care of us. Alright, and thanks again, bro.
yeah, man. Yeah, so we're going to head down to Westmoreland.
Yeah, man, a bandolier of pinches over there. Over there, son.
Milk water.
Milk water. Eddington, say something.
You don't know, say we are reach Westmoreland, car here walk now. We have a portion of thing for the people them. And right now, Westmoreland is one of the hardest hit area in Jamaica. So we have to do the right thing. Because you don't know, say, right now is the time for we be with brothers keeper. You understand? Yeah, man.
And the Jamaica household workers union, we're on our way to Bailey's Ground and Craig Hill to visit our domestic worker colleagues and take our care packages for them.
Brown and say something, you know.
Respect. We are there survivors. And we're going to be very resilient. We're going to build back soon.
Alright. Okay, so now, because it's all woman and you don't know pictures for the ladies.
Yeah.
For your eyes only, then forever. It's never the same.
And then we go so na 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 na. Debbie are your friend and your man she a look, but your boyfriend don't want no old crook. Bout she a fish, she bite the wrong hook. Hear me, man, you don't know. The ladies are here from Ever Household Workers, Jamaica Household Workers Union. And I love what them a do, cause hear what them a do. Hear what them a do. Them a look out for them fellow workers and them fellow colleagues. You understand? And we have to appreciate and honor and love them things. You know me I say? Myself, Chad Simpson aka Goofy Mr. G, alongside Bandolero, alongside Sanjay Ayre, alongside my brother and the whole family. We are headed to Westmoreland to do the right thing. What we say we are going to do? The right thing. Peace and love, ladies.
Every time. Thank you very much.
Where your mother there?
You see the sun.
Join the sun, right? Join the line, join the line, join the line, join the line, the orderly.
Line up. One person line up. Yeah. Line up.
Get the ladies them.
Women and children first.
What building is this?
This is a church. It was used as one of the shelters.
There was total devastation in this area. Everybody lost everything. And as you can see, it's a lot of kids.
Yes.
A lot of kids in this community. What's the name of this community? Moritown.
But it's still a part of Petersville.
Oh, it's still a part of Petersville. Moritown.
Yeah.
And a lot of aid is not really brought to this area.
Inside.
Yeah. Yes. So you are the leader of the community?
Lighthouse Church.
Lighthouse Church. Yeah, and the police officers was telling us that the Lighthouse Church was used as a shelter during the hurricane. You know what I mean? And you know, my name is Sanjay Ayre. I'm an Olympian. This is Chad Simpson, aka Goofy.
Mr. G.
Mr. G, recording artist Pinchers. Right? So collectively, you know, all three of us are here to give aid to the community. We noticed that you have a lot of young children here, a lot of mothers here, and you know, we drove up with the police officers and we noticed total devastation, and you guys are not getting enough aid deep down in this area of Westmoreland. So we drove all the way up from Kingston with aid, and we have some special care packages, and we have special gifts that we want to give to the people of your community. All right. So, you know, we just want to get them orderly, the mother with the kids, and we could just give the stuff off, you know.
Okay. All right. So, I want to tell you, we have some stuff where I think this is, we know say food essential and everything, but you see this is a game changer. Can you not get back light yet? No. Well, here with this I go do too no. Yeah. This can help you if you keep in touch. So, take up that there. Hold it, say. Sanjay, give them a demonstration of that thing here. This work with light. Take it out the Sanjay. This work with light. It can also wind up. And alright, so when we tell people, turn it on, Sanjay. You go so.
You charge it.
You charge it. See? And when you turn on the light.
So you have light, radio, and everything.
And solar charging.
So this is a very powerful device when you're affected by storms and hurricane and you don't have electricity. It's a three-way power in. So this have three-way power in. It have an AM, FM radio. It have an LED torch light, right? That could light up your house. It has a reading lamp, and it also have an SOS alarm. If you're in danger, it could light up. All right. So we're going to
charge your phone.
and it could also charge your phone with the USB. And it doesn't take batteries. All you do is you wind it and crank it up. Alright, so we're going to give this to people in the community.
Alright, so you said the light on now. You see at night time. if you don't want it effective, just put it on anything in on the house and just have it away and the light just reflect and thing there. And you can listen on the radio, just wind it up, you know, use it battery and them sitting there. So you're not good to go.
So far, man,
you know what I say?
One of the best effective things we do.
Well, it's essential.
We need it.
Yeah, man.
You see, you have
We need it, man. Give thanks.
a one person from each household.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
you have
definitely.
A say a one person from each household get there.
We just stop down the road and help out some people too. So, I don't know, because we may be have enough for things like children, allow the adults.
Just come right here, sir. Just come right here, sir.
All right.
Look how the van them empty out quickly, man. Look how we struggle to pack this morning.
Okay. So you have something where we can move them with? Because they're heavy, you know.
We'll go farm
Okay.
with the train generally.
Well, come get them thing, man.
Amar, come now, Benny.
Come, Amar, come forward, man.
Right? AM, FM radio, light, flashlight, reading lamp, and we have an SOS alarm. So if you're in danger, you can turn on the alarm and it flashlight. Okay? The great thing about this radio, it does not use battery. You don't need any battery at all. Right? Okay? So this is the solar right here. You just lift it up. Right? So this is the LED light. This is the solar right here. Okay? Other way to charge it. This is the antenna. So this is how you charge it. You pull this out. All you do is just wind it. And it charge.
Yeah, man.
Just like that. Charge it. Okay? Alright.
Yeah, man, you can charge phone, man.
Group picture.
Yeah.
With the police, them and everybody.
The police.
Police them gone.
No man, them call them. No, they tell them we want to take a group picture with everybody.
They represent. I don't know, so even a man, each one help one. So you don't know what they are, but what people them set it down.
You can't leave another
na. Debbie, your friend or your man, she a look. But your boyfriend don't want no old crook. Oh, she a fish, she bite the wrong hook. Whoa, every time.
And the little pinchers, I don't know the pleasure. I don't know these packages, new guys, and I know it's
Bandilero. Catch it.
Oh yeah, eyes open. Oh, stick by pinchers eyes. Hey, oh, champion. We have a bubble with the pinchers. All right. Sure.